Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about the expression for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Important question for 4 marks. So in the chapter electrostatic potential and capacitance, most important for 4 marks. So expression for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So what about this? So you can see it is the diagram of parallel plate capacitor in which two flat metal plates are there, so which are separated by a distance small d. So now the space between these two plates are filled with air or vacuum. So you can see, so it has two flat parallel metal plates separated by a small distance d as shown in the figure. The space between these two plates are filled with air or vacuum. So this diagram shows what is the parallel plate capacitors. So now you can see, so capital A is the area of each plate, D is the distance between the plates, V is the potential difference across the plates, Q is the charge on each plate. So you can see plus Q and minus Q. Magnitude of charge on each one is Q. So now sigma is the surface charge density on either plate. So you can see plus Q, plus sigma and minus sigma. So you know surface charge density is nothing but charge per unit area. So this is surface charge density on either plate is given by sigma is equals to Q by A. One of the plates we are taking, sigma is equals to Q by A. Charge per unit area, it is equation 1. So the electric field between the, so you can see, so between the two plates, the gap electric field is there, which is given in the direction from plus to minus, so denoted by E. So the electric field, the electric field between the, so between the plates is uniform and its magnitude is given as, so capital E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma E equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So from equation 1, but sigma is there, sigma is Q by A. So equation 1 is substituted. So in the formula E equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So then we can get this is students, that is E equal to Q by A epsilon naught, equation 2. So we know that the relation between intensity of electric field and the electric potential. Intensity of electric field is denoted by E students. Intensity of electric field denoted by E, that is strength of the electric field. So we know that the intensity of the electric field E and electric potential V is given by E equal to V by D, where E is intensity of the electric field, V is the electric potential. So of the parallel plate capacitor, D is the distance between them. So from equation 1 and 2 we can write. So in the place of equation 2, in the place of E in the equation 2, we are writing V by D. So then on simplification, we can get V by Q is equals to D by A into epsilon naught. Then Q by V equal to, reversing the numerator and denominator students, V by Q is written as Q by V. Then D by A epsilon naught is written as AE epsilon naught by D. So we know that capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor C is given by the formula Q by V. So in the place of Q by V, so it is written Q by V means C capacitance. So the formula is AE epsilon naught by D. So this is a formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor students. So you can see again from here to here. So this is most important question.